exhaust.
Okay, just here, fireboat 4, kind of said that wrong, down in the engine bay, Berkeley, I think it is, just a sec here. Nope, they're Hamilton jets. There you go, there's the Hamilton jets, one on each engine. Let me zoom out here for you. Okay, there we go. Of course, so there's the all aluminum construction here. There's the Hamilton jets. Port engine, of course, needs repairs, indicated to have 1 damaged cylinder. So that would be this engine, because that's my left. See, like this. I'm facing the front of the boat. Port is left, 4-letter word, ends in a T. Left is a 4-letter word, ends in a T. That's how I always remember. So they're Detroit diesels. Information on the labels, of course, is available in all of our pictures. Come to the front side of the engine, of course, and now we get to the fire pumps. So here, I'm just going to try and move the camera around. So there's your fire pumping system. All the controls. There's the twin disc to engage it. There's the lever engaging the fire pumps is done in the cabin, I guess is what it's called. So pretty clean down here, actually. You look around, not a lot of oil and whatnot in the bay. I'll just put my camera over on this side. Stop every once in a while so you can see what's going on. So the fire pumps are, as I climb through, of course there's the fire suppression system for the whole system. There we go, big sign here. Vacate the area when the fire alarm sounds. There's a filter system for the fuel, I would assume. And just gonna move the camera. So, okay. And I'll just move the camera again. Again, pictures of the labels and whatnot are included in the package for this item. Be sure to watch the other videos. There'll be about 3 or 4 videos of the boat. So one engine is operational. Other engine, of course, requires repairs. That's declared. Of course, the items are being sold. The boat is being sold as is. So, there'll be other maintenance, I'm sure, required. I did happen to notice, though, that the oil filters here look like they were just recently replaced. So, they've been up on maintenance on this regardless. So, and I'll go and shoot another video. Okay, now I'm deck side. I'm top side, whatever. I'm up top. Well, it looks like I'm on the bottom, but I'm still above water. So here we go. We're at the jets, and you can see there's the anodes, whatever, what they're called. Not sure. Of course, I'm not a boater person. I'm not a mariner. So lots of little fish down there, by the way. I don't know if you can see them. So I can see them. Little fry. Coming back up top. And engine bay. Of course, that's the starboard engine, so that's the good one. I'll just kind of walk around here and do a little bit of the boat. So the fire department here has removed a few pieces of equipment, of course, fire related department equipment. The lifeboat that is mounted to the vessel here does not sell. It is not included. They are keeping the lifeboat for training purposes. So make sure you make note of that. All your navigation gear. Of course, when you come down for viewing, they'll probably definitely demonstrate, all of the items are operating, because, they have declared the engine issues for the port side engine. Hour meters are declared in the package. There's all your controls. There you go, Celtic Shipyards. Down below the navigation gear, some charts, more charts up top. There's their battery maintainer. And again, you can see there's a few items there that have been removed. There's some loose wires, more loose wires up here. There you go. There's how you engage your two fire pumps. Pull the lever and away you go. Fire pump engaged. There's your fire suppression system activation. I'll wander down into the bottom here as we go. Down the stairs. Some storage, generalized items here. There's the head. I know what that is, you see. Heating system. Actually quite clean down here. You know, I mean, it's a work boat. So, you know, there's spare parts. And I'll head out front. It's one of your fire nozzles out here.
Sure you get the Scotchman there.
And now I'll try and climb up onto the roof while I'm holding a camera. There's the life raft, of course, that is not included. Radar systems. Another one of your nozzles. So it looks to be a very well built boat. You know, bunch of seashells, spotlights. So there you go. So be sure to check and see the viewing dates and times. If there's things of concern, make sure you attend the viewing and inspection. Just going to end the video here. Make sure you do your due diligence, because of course the vessel is being sold as is where is. Know what you're buying. Once you bought it, it's yours. Thank you very much. Hope you get another buy auction. This was All City Auctioneers, and we are located in Vancouver, British Columbia. Well, we're actually located in Langley. The vessel's located in Vancouver. Thank you very much.